My name's Sophie
And I'm Gabin Congolo.
and you are here today to join us on our Farnham town tour.
Just for you guys.
Where we're going to be showing you just some cool spots that we like to hang out in Farnham and what university life is like at UCA Farnham campus.
Let's go.
Way!
So, this is where our designated kebab van is. Farnham's best kebabs. He's always here in the evening from like 5 p.m. to like 2 a.m. Yeah, he's always
And also, if you're not the best cook and you don't feel very confident in the kitchen, he will always be here. You can have a hot meal, have some meat, have some salad if you're veggie/vegan, and you can make sure you're eating well at uni, that's key, and drink lots of water. Welcome to the Hot Blossom. In summer, the sun shines and they've got all these beautiful flowers and nice tables. It's really cute and fun for a drink.
Yeah, and the Hot Blossom is also good for pool. So if any of you want to challenge me, I'll be here.
I will challenge you right now. I will win any day.
Okay, maybe not you, but you know, I'm here. Let's do this. Let's go.
Christmas lights! Wow, Farnham is actually really pretty around Christmas time.
It's lit.
We'll show you the high street. Right now!
Okay, let's go.
So we're outside Starbucks, which is opposite Waitrose, which is right next to campus. So whatever
Very
you need,
convenient. So convenient.
it's right there on your doorstep. Welcome to the Lion and Lamb Yard.
Yeah.
It's called the Lion and Lamb Yard because
We are sitting on a lion and a lamb. Lion and lamb is really cute. Like, it's got a lot of bookstores and cute cafes.
and it's cute and townly.
Yeah.
If you're in love, it's a really cute spot. This is a really cute spot to go for lunch. The food here is amazing and they do really nice vegan cupcakes, and it's nice to go somewhere different for a change.
Everywhere here is vegan. Low impact, low carbon, composting.
Vegware.
We're currently at Mr. Sim's old sweet shop where you can get all the sweets you want. You can get pick and mix, American candy, chocolate, fudge, and what's it?
Nougat.
Nougat, that as well.
And if you need a sugar high for your deadline, this is the place to come.
This is it.
We are now in Gostre Meadows. When I first heard it, actually, I was like, that's a really weird name. But it's a wonderful park. We come here to have lunch and to play games and stuff when we're rehearsing over at the Maltings, which is the theatre here in Farnham. And there's a lovely river, ducks, and a playground.
There's also an ice cream truck here all the time. I cannot miss that out. An ice cream truck is very important. There's 50p mixtures, ice creams.
And you can go to Sainsbury's or Subway, bring your lunch here, and when it is warmer weather, obviously, it is really nice to hang out. You will be pleased to know that Subway do a student deal.
Yes, the only student deal in possibly, apparently, the whole of UK. This is the best place to eat anywhere in Farnham. I love it. My personal favourite. You'll always find me here.
Cheap and cheerful, and they do nachos. Or nachos. We could not be giving you an introduction to Farnham without mentioning the Gorge. Night out down the SU, you're on a hangover, this is the place for a banging breakfast, burgers, hash browns, chips. It sounds unhealthy, but it makes you feel better at the end of the day. A bit of salt, a bit of water, and a natural orange juice from it.
And it's affordable. Very cheap.
And the staff are really kind. Thank you. So we're here at our final spot, the Slug and Lettuce. It's a really good night out.
Yeah.
They've got like a dance floor area, they play vibey music, and it's a lot of fun. And we've had a lot of fun doing this tour for you. So we've ordered ourselves a strawberry mojito.
Strawberry mojitos.
And it's 2 for 1. Always a good thing.
Always a shout. Well, here's to you for being interested in UCA, and we hope to see you guys soon.
Yeah, cheers.